Tapat pen Lapang-Ngap Arat Angbong Monsam Kapedoji Aphan Meghalaya pen West Karbianglong Angbong Lamdon Kachetok West Karbianglong District Hamrin Rongsopi pen kilometer thom ke praposo se kahilo West Karbianglong pen Meghalaya hoi aning kanwang hidi sok ke rorahut anparta Meghalaya anatu MDC kilik kibi aphong tin hur kichodut Tapat Lapang-Ngap lapen langkeroi khandulia dim an Monsam Kapedoji Aphan kedam tang wo sik hinierni Meghalaya pen KAC kachari abitung lapen MLA do an chitosi Tapat an palita Bangso hud West Jaintia Hills District Meghalaya penta ke ongdung ar munang chingrum dunsi RD do jot amai ingnisi lamrai dengpon Aduya hoi kipakeng pilar ke som ke pahino pen puthot ke som chujia kam do an ke pachok chia phan ke rong arlo arat kaching wai pen chot ke pang samun e lasi ki pachok chia phan ke Assam pen Meghalaya Chief Minister atum Angbong si ching wai pen pakeng pon po lasi ke bang jilang arni lahin rong berong thak kachibohong ki pat ve det chia phan chuning ripen mesenalam rai ripon West Karbianglong Tapat penta kisung Kachetok alam la pen apong Lapang-Ngap ana chupen BD kanglim jakong hurang pen nang kitur alam chetan ringti labang so mai pen Meghalaya pen DY Chief Minister S Dhar la pen KACC man parta MLA Dr Tuliram Rong ha tum pen lahin kachibohong kipawide chiaphan kachikhoya lamthe than paklar tekang
so and all the MP from local MP and MLAs, MDC, all those important people from Assam, they have been with us today. So we have come to the conclusion, it's a very, very fruitful discussion, and we have come to the conclusion that peace should be come back in this area like before. And we had agreed that, and we are very, very happy to announce that both sides of the village, so they are agreed to the decision of the government, which has been put upon to the meeting. So the cultivation from the Lapang-Ngap, they will start from tomorrow regularly as before. And yes, it seems we have to respect their willing and their idea about the villagers. So they will agree to go for the seasonal crop from both sides, not one should be stopped. So from tomorrow, peace will come back in this area. So I'm very, very thankful to all the officials of the government of Assam, and especially this council of Kapedoji and the official from Meghalaya, and also the JHNC from
Pinimayalong MP Amar Singh Tiso KAC CM Anparta MLA Dr Tuliram Ronghang Amri MLA Habi Teron Hauraghat MLA Lunsing Teron Bokajan MLA Surjo Rongphar Difu MLA Niso Terangpi KAC Deputy Speaker Avijit Kro EM Rina Terangpi Kache Rongpipi West Karbianglong Desipriti Kumari IAS WKASP Dines Kumar IPS Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister S Dhar WJHD Frederick Roy Kharmongor IAS Additional Home CS Assam Ajay Tiwari IAS WJHD SP Joypal Singh Dhar IPS WJHD DC Abhinav Singh IAS WKASP Dines Kumar IPS and Partam KSA pen akaprek hamphanga song do anchito dunsi RD do jot pen mai ingsamjin pen ing niponsi lam riding pon Tangte ang tonalam the KAC Kachari CM Anparta MLA Dr Tuliram Ronghang lapen West Jaintia Hills District WJHD S Dhar lapen KSA Central Committee Amaipu Budhoteratum Khanpon
So Pangman Sitamel Jabdum Tiblo, Lapen Huso Staminalitum Government of Assam Sitame Memorandum Pidamlo, so thank Mensi Kipodet Kisum Kipoderatuman Same some government and Lakem Raplo, Lapena Sonoson, Pima, Council Pen Chirap Nine, Polata Chirabdun Pokusi, Alam Chagdolo. So thank Ben Wangbom Pini Ange, both Meghalaya pen Assam, both Chief Secretary Lapen Pini. Meghalaya penta deputy CM sitame dolo lasi dakpini nilitum sitame witness hisab alang litum government hian ga chingki kopima pola so lapen langpa-apen tapat aradatum bot ala pupu ka chekroisa pisi ka chekroima pola so lamputhak nilitum tamika gudun kangtung mate pini ga thegdunglong labang
halapu ke ACCM an parta MLA tuliram rong hang adu hoi ki pakeng ponji la pen pilar ke sompon thujia laman ke high level along si chingki chingwai pedopo bonta pini pen ke ning kan sia sai gati kian ke cho e cho som long popusi bonta karbi anglong along le bang ke madu panta inchi si anta ba Aphan pi thek the pusi ningje pontu
Parliament solution je phato parliament peace upon parliament solution was inter state border la soda ke tum ke lada ke 1 inchi ta Meghalaya phan pipe tin tum no tu khai banduri da do lapen itum natural banduri da do ki pijalam kya be sita ni tum ke pini ba che kroy lada ni tum khana da bipo university state university da bipo lapen GNV school da ni tum da bipo lapen ge da ke ni tum jata ni tum ta ilong po bang kem long po
dala longle la tum penang ka parlo bang ke Meghalaya putong irjima mate da
kali la tum che igri lo kana pini la tum ja dai kar biang long long le
Sir, 1951 pen
la so teng pilar ta ni tum kim po na ke tiar po ni tum ben tiar po de
Hamren Pen Chandra Singh Ronghang KTV News